ramp with Rusty. That there is the highway. That's 484. And this is the 484 bridge. And this is the Rainbow River. Beautiful. This is where I'm going to launch. Then I'm going to go up that way to KP Hole. It's crystal clear. You can't see it because it's very cloudy, but I can see. You probably could in the picture down there. It's not too deep. The water is not too cold. 72 degrees. It's a steady 72 degrees. Hey Rusty, how you like this ride, Nice, huh? You're always leading me to the water, Rusty. Why? Why is that? You know you can't go in the water. I'm getting out of here.